the JavaScript is started. So some of them are going with the recorded video. Those guys also I am telling. Whatever I will tell, just prepare for that one. That's enough. Okay, so you no need to go for a deeper or something like that. So just have a whatever I will teach you, just go through it and you will definitely get clear the interview. Okay, so now what we are going to do? So we are going to do the this yeah the index4.html. Okay, the last topic which we have gone through in the sense, uh, yeah. So introduction we have seen, and where means wherever we can write the JavaScript we have written seen. Uh, Four types we can do output, that is a document.write and a console.log and a window.alert and a document.get element by ID method. ID or class name or tag name it will come. Just we know about the ID. Okay. So this is a clear. Then the statement. Statement means what? We are defining a variable object, so that is called as a statement. Syntax. So we already seen comments means. So it will give the additional information. The now the next very important now onwards very important topics will be the variable. Okay. So what is a variable or a variables? Okay. Why we need a variables? First, we'll understand why we need a variables. See, variables is a one thing which can hold the value. Why? What value? See, you are going to create a one Facebook application. Okay, so you are sending a username and password. Okay, this is your login page, and you want to send the uh, username and password and one button. Okay, so you are sending this data. So how this data is sending? So this data ABC something 123 is, and this is the submit button. Okay, let's assume. So how it is storing this information? So we need to store some a reference or something or somewhere, right? So for that we need having the variable. So their object will come, array will come, we will discuss. Variable means something it will hold the value. Let's say I want to define a variable, one more variable name called a Virat, where I have to store. So we need to store inside a one variable X. It means now this is the variable is a keyword, X is a variable name and a Virat is a variable value. So then what we got to know, the variable is a sum. Okay, then what is the definition for the variable? The variable is a something which can hold the value. If someone is asked, what is a variable? The variable is something which will hold the information or a value or a data, we can say it. Okay, then what are all the different types of variables are there? So yesterday I think we have discussed a little bit. So anyhow, we will see one more thing. See, now it is a variable X is there, the number I have assigned. So I can assign a number, I can assign a name, like that. So I will run this one, right click, open it the live server. So now it is running here, right click, inspect. See, here it is a printing the value, mobile number or something. Okay, so now variable X equals to this value console.log X. Let X1 equals to this one console.log X1. So here variable is there, let is there, constant is there. So there are three ways we can define the variable. So these are all the called keywords. Okay. So now we are going to be create a variable with a keyword where keyword. We can say where keyword, let keyword, constant keyword. Okay. So variable x. The x is the one thing which can hold the value. So x is containing a some value. So that value it is printing. So if you want to store the string value, so you can just print a Virat. Control S. So now it will print a Virat is the a value. So then what is the difference between variable and a let and a constant? Okay, we will understand. So variable, if you declare a variable with a var keyword, so then you can redeclare the variable name. How? Let's say variable x equals to mobile number something, mobile number, control S, then CLG X, control S. If you just go to the here, see first it is Virat printed and second is what you can say mobile number is printed. How? Here the variable name is same. Here also X, here also X. It is possible only when you declare the variable name with the keyword var. Got it? So once you declare a variable name with the keyword var, so you are using the this one. Okay. So this is called a variable x equals to Virat, like this is printing the this one. Variable x equals to this one console.log x. So this is how it is printing. So got it. So this is called a variable. The variable is a something which can hold a value. And what is the where keywords facility or something? So it you can redeclare the same variable name. But here the x1 is there, let x1 is there. So now what I will do, I will use a one more let x1. See, it will throw, it is showing some red mark. What is this one? Cannot redeclare a block scope variable x. Or else what error it will show? Let x1 equals to Rohit. Control S. If you go here, see, uncaught. Identifier x1 is already been declared. If I just change to x1 to x3 and here also x3, control S, see here, console.log, this is the number, okay, CLG x1, control S, see, it is printing. It means the variable declared with the var keyword you can redeclare, and the variable declared with the let keyword you cannot redeclare the same variable name. In the var keyword you can redeclare with the same variable name. See, this is a Pakka interview question and I will ask you guys as well. Whether you can assign a number or whether you can assign a text or anything, the variable name declared with the var keyword, so you cannot redeclare the value. Okay, you cannot redeclare. So now let x3, this is the one thing. Now what we have to constant x2 something. Okay, then we'll see that the let x1 Rohit console.log like this. Okay, so variable we have seen the variable x and a variable let keyword and a constant. The constant and the let is the same thing. So when to use a constant means, see, whenever you constant means you cannot change the value. So if you define a constant, so you cannot change the value. So there we are using the constant keyword. The uh, constant and let is almost the same thing. You cannot redeclare the same variable name. Okay. Here also x2 means if you want to declare one more constant. Let's say I will show here the constant x2. See here. Again it will red mark will come. So instead of that one I will make a x4. Sorry, x4 also I'll do x5. Yeah, so here what happens here, you have to use a block scope. So for that function, add open close brace, sorry, bracket, open close brace, constant x, x equals to something. So you cannot redeclare the two constant at the same block scope. So here I can define a one more. Let see let x1 I will declare here. It will take here because so this x1 scope is available for only for this function. Okay. So this is the constant x, this one. Let x1 this one. So this is a the scope is available for only this block. Okay. Constant x equals to this one. Let x1 equals to this one. So this is the what we can say, the declaring the variable name. Okay, so this is called a constant and this is called a let. Okay. Uh, so this is how it is going to be a work. So now we got to know what is a variable. So first, what we have done, what is a variable? Variables means something it can hold the value. And what are the different types? So that is a one is a variable we are going to be defined with the var keyword, and a variable defined with the let keyword, variable defined with the constant keyword. Okay. So this is you have to work on it. Okay. So like you have idea means that's more enough. Okay. Okay. Now we are going with the arithmetic. JS arithmetic. The next topic is a JS arithmetic. So what is a JS arithmetic? Okay. So we already know the calculator functionality. So here plus means addition, equals to means display the value, minus means there is a negative subtraction, and multiplication, division, and this is the this is for a close. Okay. So this is we are doing how it is happening here, how it is happening. So this is happening because of, okay, so this is happening because of we are doing a calculation here and it is printing here. So how it is happening? If I use a 6 into 6, 6 into, sorry, 5 into 2, 10. How the 10 is printing? So they have written a some code, so that is it is printing. So we are going to be discuss about some of the what we can say operators. We can say operator. See, operators, there are different types of operators are there. Arithmetic operators are there, logical operators are there. So like that, so we have a different type. Assignment operators are there. Okay, so this is we are going to be discuss about a one by one. So first we'll go for the documentation. Sorry, doc. Then H2 the JS operator. Okay, so we know about the plus. We know about like a equals to means this is the assignment. See x y. It means it is going to be assigned the x value to the y, and plus minus. So here the plus means addition, minus means subtraction, star for multiplication, modulus this is a division. So just I will go with one simple example first. So first what we are going to do, a document dot write of 2 plus 3. So just I will add a one br tag. Br means it will break the line. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. 2 plus 3. 3 or 4 minus 3. See, this plus is for the concatenation. Okay. So 4 minus 3, 2 star 3. What I will do, I will use a bigger number, 10 modulus 2. Okay. Control, sorry. You just use a this one. Right click, open with the live server. See, 23. Sorry. Okay, what is the problem happening is, so now in the, if you use in the document dot write, it is showing in the, what you can say, control X function test open close brace, control V. So I will use a one button click me on click test, right click, open with the live server. Yeah. So 2 3 why it is happening, because we are going with the concatenation. So if I want this one, I will use it like this. Control S. See, 2 plus 3, 5. Here it is a 4 minus 3 is there. This is also, I will use the bracket. So always, whenever you are doing arithmetic operation, so you have to use a bracket. So that is a good practice, because it will treat as an expression. Control S will go here, click here. See, 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1. 2 into 3, 2 multiplication of 3, 2 3s are 6. And 10 by 2, 2 5s are 10. So that is why 5 remainder will come. So this is called a arithmetic operations are there. So then we have other different types of operators are there. Arithmetic operations are there, assignment operators are there, comparisons are there, string operator, logical, bitwise, ternary. So different types of operators are there. So we are going to be discussed like one by one. Okay. So now what happens here? We are going to be discussing some of the like JavaScript assignment operator. What is an assignment? So variable x equals to 10 means 10 is assigning to the x. So that is called a, so just what I will do, document dot write of and assignment operator. Okay, so this is the what we can say, the assignment operator. So what is the mistake? We'll go for the, yeah, so there might be, we have uh, deleted a script and tag, that is why. Okay, we'll do one thing. I will remove everything. I will just add a script. Okay, So then now uh, document dot write of assignment operator. Okay, control S. If you just go here, the assignment operator. What is an assignment operator? Okay, we will declare a two variable. Let x equals to some value. Okay, or else okay, let x equals to 100. Let y equals to 200. So here what happens? See, I will instead of let I will use a variable. Okay, so first we'll go with the variable y equals to 300. Okay, so this is the two variable, we know this one. Okay, so here first we'll go with the assignment operator. So this is what happened. So the 100 is assigning to the x. It means the right side value is assigned to the variable x, whether it is a var keyword, whether it is a let keyword, whether it is a constant keyword. So this is called a assignment. Okay, the next is what okay, this is the assignment. So here what I will just remove this one. Okay, so just I will remove this one. So I have a two variable. First what I will do, I will use a pre-increment or like a arithmetic operator. So here what happens, let plus equals to the what is the variable name, the variable name I want to assign a not variable x. So here we need to add a one more variable. So that variable I will replace here. So just or else I will take a y. Variable is 100 and x is 100, 300. Then document dot write of this x. Control S. We'll go to the browser. So here what happens? The x value is okay. Let's say I will take one more value. Uh, let I will with a small value you will get to know. So x is what, let's say 20. Okay. So now here what happens? So x plus equals to I will add a one more value called a 30. Okay. The x value is assigned at 20 and the 30 is assigning a one more value. So what is the value? The 50 is there. Here what happens? We are assigning, but here what happens? 30 is assigned to be x, means the x should be display the 30. But here what happens? We are adding the concatenation. The initial value of x is 20 and you are going to be add a 30. So the total value is a 50. See, assignment means what? It is going to be assigned from the right value to the left. But here the right value to the left along with the addition. Okay. Same thing if you do minus control S, if you see here 10. So here it is not, assignment is not happening. So initial value is a x 20 and 30. 30 minus x is a what? 30 minus x is what? 20. So that is a 10 will be displayed here. Then even it is a minus. Why minus? Because the greater value is a minus, so that is 30. So that is why it is displaying a minus value. Okay, so this is called a what you can say same thing, multiplication, division, and everything. It is going to be same. It is going to be one. Okay, this is called assignment means what? It is a left to the right, and if you use any something operator, arithmetic operation, plus, minus, multiplication, you are using this one. Okay, so this is all about the arithmetic operation and JES comparison operator. So, okay, so this is the assignment and comparison. So this is very very important. So first one is a what? A document dot write the equal to how variable x equals to 200, variable y equals to 200, sorry, 300. Okay, so now the plus and x double equals to y. So just I will cut from here. X double equals to y. Okay, right click, open with a live server. See here it is showing a, okay, we'll add a something break here. What is the comparison here? The x double equals to y means it is asking equal to. It means is x value is equals to y. If it is a okay, if it is a x and y is same, then it is a true or else false. Is x is a 200 and y is a 300. Is 200 is equals to like 300? No, that's why here it is showing the false value. So just I will make here 300, control S. If you just see here, see the y x equals to uh, see x is a, okay, I will right click, open with the live server. Why it is showing like this? Okay, variable x equals to 300, variable y equals to 300, x is equals to x is now it has to be shown true. Everything is correct. We'll check any internet solution. Mozilla JS comparison is loosely equals. Okay, okay. See, now the number is 0 and object string is 0. Console dot num1 is equals to num1 because num is equals to num, that is why true it has to be shown. The next is object. Copy. Okay, so just I will add here. Okay, I will just demonstrate. See here what happens. Num num is a value, it is containing a 0. Constant object new string, it is the type of object. Okay, then constant string, so it is type of a string. Save it, right click, open with the live server. Control Shift I. See, true, true, false, false, false. It is displayed like this. So how it is displayed? So these are all the comparison operators. See, num and this num. Okay, and we are discussing about a variable x equals to. See, this is a triple equals to is there. Okay, Virat variable y equals to Virat. So document dot write of the equal comparison is plus equals to x double equals to y. Control S will go here. Yeah, we'll check this one. It has to be shown the true. Okay, let it be. Now here you will get to know the num is, yeah. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾ, ವಿರಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ CLZ x double equals to y. Control S. If we just go here, right click, inspect, console, line number 63. Compare. Control S. Okay, we'll check this one. Okay, why it is not. Because already we have done with the if and else condition, right? Yeah, tell me, Praket. ಯಾವುದು X? Oh, sorry, correct. Simple, silly mistakes we have done. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಯಾಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so as like mathematics operation we have done, right? So same thing. So here what happens? It will compare the value x Virat and double equals to y, that is the Virat. So if I just change to something other thing, other string, control S, false. Okay. So then what is the triple equals to? Triple equals to what happens? It will compare the value and type also. See, constant num equals to 0. Okay. And we'll take the constant num1 0. Okay. So here what happens here? Constant num equals to 0, constant num1. If I just use I will use a let. See, num value 0 ಇದೆ, num1 value 0 ಇದೆ. But here it is a constant, here it is a let. So control S. What is the line number? The line number is 26. So we'll add some text here plus the triple equals to compare values and control S. the table equals to compare value is a num1 num2. Okay, yeah, control s. See here what happens. Here it is the number is there, but here it is a string is there. Alternately, value is 0 only, but here it is a 0 is there. Here it is a string is there. So means it here it is a integer or it is a string. So or else we can say number. This is the 0 is number, and here it is a string of type of number. So then it will treat as a the false value. So double equals to it will compare the only value. Okay, Virat to Virat idru true, or else Virat Rohit idru it will be false. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ equals to ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So that is what they are uh, what you can say that that is the triple equals to. So triple equals to it is going to be compare the value and the data type as well. What is the data type? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಝೀರೋನ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಟೈಪು ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಪು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ like what you can say it will not print the proper value. Now what we are going to do, uh, so this is a what we can say uh, equals to double equals to. Okay, so now what we are going to do, variable x1 equals to something called a 200 and a variable x2 equals to 200. Okay, so now what happens, document or else clc for console.log the not equals to plus bracket x1 not equals to x2. What is the symbol means? This is the not equals to. So control S and we'll go here. See, I am checking the condition x1 is not equals to x2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 x2 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 200 ಇದೆ, x2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 200 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು 201 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 201 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ x1 is not equals to x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes, x1 is 200, x2 is 201. If I just go here, here it is a true. So that is called a what we can say equals to. So again, what happens? So some of the logical operators is what this one. Yeah. Again, double equals to, and I will use a string. Save it. Still is a true. X1 is okay. Just one. See here it is here also 200 is there. Here also 200 is there. Again, not double equals to. It will check the value and the data type. This is a string type and this is the number type. So now x1 is a 200, x2 is a 200. Here not equals to double equals to, it will check the value x1 value, x2 value along with the whether it is in a number or a string. Okay, save it. We'll go here. See, this is the true. So if I just remove control S, is x1 is not equals to x2. So here it is false because both x1 and x2 is same. Here also 200, here also 200. Here also number, here also number. So that is why not equals to. So again it is a next it will come x1 is greater than x2. Is 200 is greater than 200? No, that is why it is a false. If 200, sorry, 201 is greater than 200, x1 is what? 201. X2 is what? 200. 201 is greater than 200. Yes. Control S will go here. See, that is why true. So greater than or equals to. Either greater than or equals to. Here equals to. Here also I will make a 200 and greater than or equals to. See, still true because either greater than or equals to. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಮ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Okay, so this is called a greater than or equals to. Same, less than or equals to. So these are all the comparison. Okay, first one ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, triple equals to double equals to what it will do, it will compare the values. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಹಾದೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾದೇವ್. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಡಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು. Okay, the next is the not equals to. Not equals to, it is going to be compare the value. And double not, sorry, not equals to double quote means it will check the value and it will check the data type as well, number or string. And this is for a greater than checking whether it, and this is the less than checking. Okay, so greater than or equals to or less than or equals to. Okay, so this is a all the arithmetic operation. So you are going to be check in the what we can say. You are going to be this whenever you working with a project, no. So you are going to be work this one. Okay, so this is called a what we can say arithmetic assignment operators. Okay, so I think today is enough. I think so. So tomorrow we are going with some other more topics. So some are many people are going with the recorded videos. So please go through them properly. Whatever I will tell, so that is more enough. Okay, so you can prepare for interview.